Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Young Studio 4D. Under this video, you can subscribe on our YouTube channel, activate notification. This is the part 1 of this video. I want to show you how to install the new Android Pie or Samsung One UI on your phone. This is the setup review. Under this video, the link is here. You can download this link and copy this ROM directly to your phone. Okay, if you are install TWRP, if you want to see how to install TWRP, under this video in the first link, you will click and see how to install this on your phone. TWRP, you will see this after. Get ready. What is this? This is the preview version of my Android P. This is version 1. Look at this. This is Aldes 1. Aldes 1. Today I want to install Aldes version 2. Okay. Get ready. As you see, wonderful. It's good. It's working. Okay. This is the version 1. Look at the version 1. Look at all of this. Beautiful. As you see, it's so beautiful. Not problem. And as you can see, many things here. Camera. A beautiful camera. Look at. Okay. Not bad. Alright. Wonderful. Head panel. Beautiful. Beautiful head panel also. Okay. Now, settings. Beautiful settings. Yeah, I love it. What else about phone here? And as you can see, Android 9. Yeah, One UI version 1. Thank you. Android P is here. Wonderful. I see it's good and it's so beautiful. Now I want to install the new version. Look at before under. Look at this here. Look at here. This is my new navigation bar. It's so wonderful. Look at this. Wow. You can do this. Beautiful. And this wonderful. I like this. I like all of this. Okay, thank you for watching. Let's go to the setup review. Copy download this ROM under this video. The link is here. And get ready. If you are download, copy this ROM on your phone. As you see, this ROM is here. Add this ROM P stock version 2 zip. Okay. Get ready. If you are copy, let's do this. What is my face? I'm here. This is me. Look at my face. Remember, this is Young Studio 4D. What is this done? Beautiful. Wow. If you like, click on like and subscribe for more videos on Young Studio 4D. Now, get ready to install this. Power off. Wonderful. And get ready to access to TWRP. Okay. If you have watched the first videos, under video the link is here. On the first link, you will see how to install TWRP on your Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Remember also, this ROM is compatible for the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Okay, it is compatible only with 3 devices: Samsung Galaxy S8, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, and Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Okay, wonderful. It's not compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay, thank you. Now we can go. Okay. All free touch to access to TWRP. Hold volume app here. And if you are installing volume app, Bixby button and power button in the same time. Free touch. Volume up, Bixby button, power button in the same time. Don't deselect this. Let this. Let go. I see this is TWRP. Wow, TeamWin. You can install this TeamWin under this video. Do this. Now, get ready. Click on whip. After whip, click on advanced whip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't select internet storage because you have installed your beautiful ROM into. Okay? You are P2, please copy your beautiful ROM on into. Now, click on install. And let's see. Look at here. This ROM is under. Address ROM is here, bro. Now you can click here and do this to install this with me. The installation review is here. Remember also, this is the part 1. After this, you will see the part 2. The part 2 will appear. Get ready to see also the new version. Look at, as you see, what is this? This is a 1UE version 2. 1UE version 2. Look at, and it's compatible for Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8. As you see, is here only for these 3 devices. Okay, thank you. Now we can go. You are so beautiful because woo, you are subscribed today. Click on agree. I agree. It's under. I agree. Okay. Okay, I agree with all above. Click on next. Next again. And yes, I want to do a full whip. Internet storage will not be whip. Okay, I do this. Click on next. Next again. Okay. Add light. Add full. What do you want now? Lighting plus. Okay, panel. Take this. What else? You can install this fonts if you want. Install. Click on next. After this, you can see many things that you want to install. Click on next. I recommend you click on next. And after, you can see here. You can see Bixby stock. Okay, camera. What's your choice? Okay, click on next. What you want to install now here? Okay, I want to install all of this. Samsung camera, Samsung calculator, dictionary, all of this. What is your problem? I want to install all of this. What's wrong with you, bro? Install all of this. Google Assistant. Flyboard. Why not? Okay. As you see, it is beautiful. You can select what you want to install. Okay. This is your preference now. Click on next. Now you are ready. You are ready to install your beautiful home. Here. Here. Now, click on install right now. Click on install right now and get ready. As you see, the installation started. Okay, put your phone on the table and get ready. I recommend you to charge your phone before. Okay, thank you. 100%. Okay, wait with me. If you are not subscribed, click on subscribe now and activate notification. And click on like if you like this. Okay, you will like this. This is the version 2 of on 1UE. We will see this right now. Android Nat P. Beautiful. Whoa! As you see, it's finished. Now, you can see here. Look at yonder. Successfully flashed. Reboot. Okay, click on this. Reboot device. Okay. Reboot device. And get ready for the installation. Okay. You will see the LED. Here. It's here. When you see the LED here, when you LED appear here, and then the installation started. Now, wait with me. We're finishing of this part 1 installing review. We will see this beautiful. Okay, the session continue. You can clean your screen and get ready. Get ready, bro. Don't forget to subscribe, bro. Hey, beautiful. Fun. For you. Wonderful. Okay, the LED disappear as you see here. You will see now your beautiful home appear here on your face. What a shock. Starting on radar. And installing applications. Get ready, bro. Get ready. Get ready. Okay. I want to see your face right now because you are so beautiful. Yeah. As you see, let's go. Here you can choose your language. Okay. Beautiful. Click on next. Yeah. Dobes, I have a reader and agree to all of above. Click on there. What is this? Skype. What is this? Cable and USB connector. Wireless. How do you want to connect? Skype for now. Okay. Now we continue. We continue with this. What I can do after connect to the internet. Let me to put my password, bro, because you are so beautiful. Okay, almost finished. Okay, wonderful. It's connected as you see. Now click on next. That's again. Get ready, bro. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Okay, just a second. Wonderful. Beautiful. As you see, my battery is wonderful. Okay, here you can enter your Google account if you have one. Okay, Skype for me. I will do this after. Okay, now click on next. More. Accept. Now here you can configure your fingerprint if you want. Okay, get ready to do this. Put your password. Let me to do this. Confirm pin without okay. Without tapping okay. Let me to put my pin right now. And okay, my first pin is here. Click on continue and the next. And let's go. Get ready, bro, to put your beautiful finger under this beautiful fingerprint scanner. Okay, let's do it. Again. Okay, let me to change my finger for the left finger. Again. Be careful. Okay, it's done. Woo! You can also add another finger if you want. Click on next for me. And okay, yeah, you can enter your Samsung account. You can see it's great. Enter your Samsung account if you want to access to Bixby, Samsung, Tema, Finger, and more. Okay, and more Galaxy applications. Wonderful. Okay, all done. Get ready, my friend, to see the beautiful new Android update. Okay. Thank you. Click on done. Wonderful. What is this? This is the version 2 of One UI version 2. Yes. What is this? As you see, Bixby is here. Wonderful applications. Beautiful notifications. Icon is here. And you can see, wow, Dolby Atmos also here. Settings, wonderful settings. What else about Phone Pro? As you see, Galaxy Note 8, wonderful. If you want to install this on your Samsung Galaxy S8, you will see S8 here. If you want to install on your Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, you will see also S8 Plus here. It is same ROM. Don't always commander, and you can install to see. Okay, sort of information. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Android 9, wonderful. Okay, as you see, is good. With the camera, my camera is here. Wonderful. I will show you this beautiful camera now. Quickly configuration. Look at. It's great. It's beautiful. With all of settings here. And it's good. On the next video, I will show you now the test review of this beautiful ROM. Get ready, bro, to see this. Get ready to see this. Don't forget to subscribe now. And get ready, bro. Get ready because you are so beautiful. Lock screen, wonderful. Double tap Double tap. Always display is here. Wonderful. Can I do this? Woo! This is a great change. Have you seen the difference with this and the previous version? The difference is here. It's not all. Beautiful, beautiful. I will test also the beautiful S Pen on the next version. Get ready to subscribe. Get ready to subscribe now. Subscribe and like. Woo! I love you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today and let's go to the test review, the part 2. Don't always comment on this video and get ready for more videos. Wow, so beautiful. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is compatible for the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus and Samsung Galaxy Note 8 only. Remember this and remember to subscribe and share this video and get ready for a part 2 right now. Let's go.